Hello, Eagles. It's Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? I wanted to address the question of sabotage, self-sabotage, and this is in the area of getting job opportunities. If you have an entrepreneur mind and have a desire for having a business, the chances of self-sabotage from getting employed are very high. I'll tell you a story of a friend of mine many years ago. He left a regular job, started a small construction business. After a few years, the construction business wasn't working so well, so he thought to himself he should go back to regular employment. A brilliant person. He did everything to fail the interview. He didn't do it intentionally. It was almost like unconscious choice because his heart's desires were to own something, but the day-to-day needs meant that he had to get some kind of income, some kind of stable income, and get it quickly. And getting employed was the best choice at the moment. So he would get late at interviews. He would forget his resume on the way to the interview. He would argue while he's being interviewed until one day we sat and just had a chat because he had searched for a job for months with such a strong resume. I wasn't understanding why he couldn't get employed until I had to ask him an honest question that, do you really want to be employed? Can you see yourself having your time managed by someone else and someone else telling you what to earn in a year, even if you develop yourself better? Can you see yourself doing that? And he said, honestly, no. I can't see myself in a regular office. I love being outside. I love construction. And once we settled that, he went back and refocused his energy into the business, and the business started working again. So he's still self-employed, but I'm trying to bring out the point that we have to be cautious of self-sabotage. You have to find a way to reframe your idea of being employed by someone else and reconcile it with having a business at some point. For example, looking at your current employee as your first investor in your business, because some of them, the earnings you're going to get, you're going to be putting them in your personal business. So look at them as an investor. That way you don't self-sabotage yourself from either being gainfully employed or trying to get yourself fired before it's time to leave the job. You see, so it takes reframing your mindset in order not to sabotage yourself. But this is a common pitfall for people who have a desire to have a business, so watch out for it. If you're sabotaging yourself in your current employment, well, it's time to look at things different. Look at the employers as your investors. Well, this is Mother Ego. I hope it helps. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye.